Good morning, I'm Buddy Seigfried, Seigfried Equipment. Just a reminder that you should get in touch with us now that the weather's changed and we're into the summer with food trucks, trailers. We do custom hoods for your trailer, for your food truck, as well as equipping all the equipment that you need inside of it. Also, for your restaurant, pizza shop, we have all the equipment that's necessary for you to function and work your business properly with all your needs that you might want. Please contact us, especially for all your hoods for the custom work. Thank you.